Hi, welcome to Run Deals. Today I have a really great product to share with you guys. This right here is a sonic electric toothbrush. It is very high quality, guys, and it comes with 5 different modes to target different concerns on your teeth. It is waterproof and also rechargeable. Guys, it only takes about 6 hours to recharge it, but it will last for about 100 days non-stop. The toothbrush comes with 3 different buttons that you can use to switch between the 5 different modes, as well as to be able to increase or decrease the intensity of the vibration for each one of the modes. And guys, of course, to recharge it, it comes with the base, as well as this Type-C USB cable that is, of course, included in the package. And to travel around, guys, you're gonna find this awesome traveling case where you're gonna be able to place your toothbrush as well as 2 brush heads. And guys, it comes with 8 additional toothbrush heads for you to replace them when needed. I really hope you will enjoy this amazing product, guys. It is very high quality and it works really great. I will see you next time. Bye.